So over here, you can see that I have this project right here, and you can see that I got 3 video clips. So let's say what I actually want to do right here is split out this particular video clip right here into 2 parts. This one on the left and this one on the right. In that case, what you can simply do is you can go around over here onto scene right here, and you can see that split scene at playhead is an option. Once you do that, the audio is not split, but you can see that the scene is split into 2 parts right here. And now you can go ahead and rearrange it out as you want. You can simply go ahead and then split out the other clips as well. So I can go around over here onto scene and then choose split scene at playhead, and then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is simply how you can go ahead and split it out. So once you split, you need to remember that you cannot actually go ahead and rejoin it out, but you can still go ahead and pull out the parts right here because it is not actually cut out. It is actually just hidden. The portions that you have right here in the video are just hidden, so you can re-pull it out if you want the contents back. And that is how you can split the scenes at playhead inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.